Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back in the kitchen. Today is Friday and I'm ready to make another delicious drink that is going to have a lot of health benefits. Today I'm making a wellness shot. This drink is very citrusy and a little spicy, super delicious. It is loaded with vitamin C. It has immune boosting benefits and also anti-inflammatory benefits. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is everything we're going to use to make our wellness shot today. We're going to use the juice of 2 small oranges, the juice of 2 small lemons, 1/4 cup of ginger, chopped and peeling is optional. And we're going to do the same thing with our turmeric. We're going to chop it, peeling is optional. Be very careful because this stains. And now we're adding everything into the blender. Ginger and turmeric go first. Next, I'm adding my freshly juiced orange juice, followed by my lemon juice. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of this organic extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of fat will help my body absorb the turmeric a little easier. Cheers! It is citrusy and a little spicy, but it is delicious. Alright guys, this is it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel. I upload every single Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Leo's gonna like this one.